Hey guys, welcome back to G's Kitchen. So much for tuning in. So today I'm going to make a really delicious snack. Yes, I'm going to make spicy masala bread toast. This is a really delicious and a healthy snack that you can make. If you omit the butter, this will be definitely a wholesome, healthy dish. So you have to make this simple dish. In a pan, I'm adding oil. To the oil, I'm adding some fennel seeds. Next, I'm adding onion and green chilies, finely chopped. And I'm going to saute it for a minute. Next, I'm going to add vegetables. Here I have a mixture of finely chopped carrot, cabbage and capsicum. I'm adding some salt and I'm going to saute these for about 1 to 2 minutes. It's been about 2 minutes and I'm going to add tomato. It's about 1 tomato. I've de-seeded it and cut it. So I'm going to saute these for about 2 minutes again so the tomatoes can cook well. So it's been 2 minutes. I'm just mashing the tomatoes. So I mashed the tomatoes. Now it's time to add the spice powders. I'm adding chili powder, turmeric powder, chaat masala and salt. So mix everything together. Cook this for about a minute. So it's been a minute. I also checked the spice level. Everything is perfect. Make sure that you check the taste level at this point and then add the tomato ketchup. Now after this point you don't have to cook it, so I'm going to switch off the flame. So finally adding some coriander leaves. So the masala is ready for the bread. So now I'm going to toast the wheat bread. I'm going to use wheat bread here. You can even toast it without using anything or olive oil or butter. I'm going to use butter today. I'll be toasting my bread till crispy. It's up to you. I like a nice brown layer on top of the bread and then the masala on top, so crispy and juicy, just a perfect combination according to me. You can even toast it less than crispy. It's up to you. So yes guys, bread masala toast is done. I'm gonna have a taste of it. Wow, that's so good. I love it. I'm gonna have this with some tea. It's a perfect combination for tea, especially in the evening. So I'm actually having this as a snack with tea. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Definitely try it. Take care everyone. Bye bye.